Do you want to make money online just listening to music? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $3,200 listening to music. You don't need to do much work. All you have to do is listen to your favorite songs and you get paid. But before we start, welcome to the channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to this website right here, soundcloud.com. On this website, you can discover new music, stream, and share a constantly expanding mix of music from emerging and major artists around the world. As you can see right here, it's absolutely free. If you scroll down, you'll see there are a lot of trending music, all in different languages. If we scroll down again, you can see that you can download SoundCloud on your Android phone or your iPhone. So if you have an Android phone, just go to the Play Store and download this app. Just search for SoundCloud and you'll see the app, which will look just like this. And if you're using an iPhone, you can just go to the Apple Store, search for SoundCloud, and you'll be able to see the app and download it. Once you've finished downloading SoundCloud onto your device, you'll now be able to discover and explore different types of music to listen to. Once you're inside the app, scroll down and click right here where it says Explore Trending Playlists. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. On this page, you're going to find all the trending music, and they are all classified into different categories. Let's say, for example, you want to listen to this music right here in this category. Just click on it, and you'll be taken to this page right here. Just click on the play button right here, and you'll be able to listen to this music. If you scroll down, you'll discover that there's a whole playlist under this particular song right here. And this playlist right here has up to 100 songs all put together, and you can easily listen to all these songs on your phone or your computer. Okay guys, now I assume that you have understood how to find music on SoundCloud. So go to this website right here, azlyrics.com. On this website, you can search for different types of music lyrics. There are a lot of music lyrics available on this platform. If you want to see the lyrics and music of any particular song, just type in the name of the artist and that name of the song in the search bar right here. For example, let's type in Chris Tomlin song title, Good Father. You can type in any of your favorite artists. Once you do that, click on the drop-down results and click on the search button right here. And as you can see, you can now see the song and the lyrics right here on this page. Now head over to this website right here, rev.com. On this site, you're going to find a lot of different job opportunities to transcribe a lot of music. There are also different categories of jobs to do on this website, which includes transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. So for example, if you listen to the music right here on this page and you successfully transcribe it into lyrics, you are going to get paid for all of the minutes of the music audio you transcribe. For every 1 minute of song you transcribe, you'll get $1.50. That means for a 3-minute full song, you'll be paid about $4.50. So guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now let's get back to the video. Now, I'll be showing you a free software that you can use that will carry out all this work for you. Let's go back to the rev.com. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and then click right here where it says Freelancer. And you will land on this page. So on this page, you can earn money online just by transcribing. The most interesting part is that you can transcribe as many songs as possible whenever you want. You can also select specific projects that you're more interested in, and you're going to be receiving a weekly payout for all the work you've completed directly into your PayPal account. If we scroll down, we're going to see right here that we have basically two categories of jobs. We have transcriptionists and captioner. we are going to select Transcriptionist. So click on Learn More right here, and you'll be redirected to this page. If you scroll down, you will see how you can sign up. You can sign up by putting in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then your country right here. As you can see, they are accepting a lot of countries all over the world. So just choose your country, and once you've done that, click on Next right here. So guys, I want you to take some time and put in the comment section what country you are watching this video from. I would really like to make videos specifically for your country region in my upcoming videos. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys another website that you can also use to transcribe and make more money. This will help you to double your earnings or even more. This website is called GoTranscript.com. This website is also going to pay you for listening to music and transcribing the music. Once you're here, scroll all the way down. As you can see, they will pay you at a competitive rate for their transcription jobs. For each song, you're going to be making up to about 60 cents for every 1 minute of song you transcribe. That means for a full 3-minute song, you'll be paid around $1.80. If we scroll all the way down, you're going to also see some interesting benefits you're going to get working on this website. If you want to sign up on this website, all you have to do is click right here where it says Apply Now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page right here. Here you can now create your free account by just putting in your email address and password. Or you can just sign up using your Facebook account or your Google account. So all you need to make money is to sign up on multiple websites like rev.com and GoTranscript.com. Now I'm going to be showing you a free app that will make the job simple for you. So go to this website right here, Otranscribe.com. This is a free web app that will help you to do the transcribing easily. All you need to do is click on the blue button right here. You will land on this page. Now all you need to do is go back to SoundCloud.com. And you can click on it right here, or just click on copy link right here. Once you're done, go back to this site, Otranscribe.com, and you can upload or paste the song you just copied right here, and it will do all the transcribing for you. Finally, all you need to do is go through the final result and correct some errors after the transcription, and you are done. And that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.